Hi pilots, Edward Hong here from FFCA in the Republic of Korea. Today, I want to unboxing the EDF airplane from AF model. Let's go. Another box in the box. This is main wing, and it has a slash server here, and landing gear, flap, and aileron. It has a flap, and the other wing, the right. Also, it has a slash server, two slash servers, and landing gear, flap, aileron, and AF model manual, and the servo and wing diagram here, main wing pipe, and what is this? It seems to be miscellaneous parts. Yeah, some additional parts made by plastic, and this is tail hook and some linkage, and finally the fuselage here. The other parts. Yes, that is fuselage. Big fuselage, and some parts in here, and it's not fixed on the fuselage, so you do better be careful to handle these fuselage parts. I think. What's that? Seems to be the engine cover and maybe nose. Nice, well. Seems to be horizon stabilizer, right? It's moving one piece. There's no pin, and this stabilizer is moving like this. Nothing anymore. And canopy here. There's no pilots. And horizon Calvin, Mr. Roger. But where is the server? There's no servo feeding. Maybe this whole control this rudder, and the servo maybe installed on the rear fuselage. Alright, it's really huge plane. Okay, this is fuselage, and it has the lamp, LED lamp, and you can see that the air brake, the rear parts of the fuselage and canopy, but there is no pilots, and this is head-up display, but it's not clear, so I need some clear works. And this is the engine covers over there. And manual and something. Some plastic parts here. It's big. That is the hook system at the end of the airplane for the neighbor one, and the one-piece stabilizer just insert the fuselage and horizon tailway and the nose of the fuselage. And you can see the main wings behind me. Okay, how can I build it? Okay, this is the unboxing of the AF model T45C Ghost Hawk EDF 105mm ducted flame airplane. You know, frankly speaking, purchasing this airplane was my fault. The version I originally wanted to buy was the T45 Bedhawk, but then the T45 Ghost Hawk arrived. Of course, I already purchased the Bedhawk, but after unboxing, it seems like my mistake turned out to be the best choice. And the unboxing is until here, and thanks for watching and have a nice day.